Let's look at example number 2. Let's pick up a compound where the number of carbon atoms are even. Let's take C4H10 for example. Let's pick up a compound like C4H10 plus O2. This will give us CO2 plus H2O. Now, this is an alkane. What happens if we've got an alkane? The number of carbon atom is also an even number. Without wasting time, I always advise learners to say, if the number of carbon is like this, just put a 2 here first. And then you take the 10 as it is and put it there. So we are going to have 10 here. Now we can start distributing the rest. Then we've got 2 times 4 number of carbons, they are 8. So I'm going to put an 8 here for the number of carbons. Carbon and hydrogen are already balanced. I've got 8 carbons, 8 carbons. I've got 20 hydrogens, 20 hydrogens. Now, I'm going to start balancing the oxygen from the left, and then from the right. So I've got 8 times 2 here, which is 16. Then I've got 10 times 1, which is 10. So this gives me a total of 26. 26 divided by 2 is going to be 13. This gives me 13. Then I'm going to take the 13 and put it there. I said the number of oxygen must be divided by 2 for the compound to be balanced. Then I am sorted like that. Let's take another example and see. Let's pick up a compound like ethane. It's a small one, but let's look at it. Example number 3. Ethane has a formula C2H6. This is burnt in excess oxygen, and then we produce, as we know, carbon dioxide plus water. Now, I said to you, if I'm dealing with an alkane, as you can see, I said let's just simply put a 2 here and take the number of hydrogens as it is and put it that side. So I'm going to put a 6 here. Therefore, the number of carbon atoms now is 4. I'm done with carbon and hydrogen. I'm going to calculate the number of oxygen on the right. Whatever number that I'm going to get, I'm going to divide it by 2 and put it on the left. So this is 4 times 2, which is 8. It's 6 times 1, which is 6. This gives me a total of 14. So I'm going to divide my 14 with 2, which gives me a 7. I'm going to take my 7 and put it there. Then my equation must be balanced. Once I'm done with that, then I can erase this. This is a balanced chemical equation. I would need people to go and practice this at home. You can log into our channel And if you are registered, you will have plenty of activities